Starting around 25 August 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $1,639.29 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.98%. In most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought, ETH generally has a really all-out market cap of $197,070,007,787, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,676,787,845, which sort of is genuinely critical. This truly makes Ethereum, ETH, positioning it too in the digital currency market, which really is very huge. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum especially be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Ethereum a sort of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Will ETH value sort of outperform its record-breaking high? For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, these fundamentally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, or so they basically thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal sort of least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to in every practical sense, be $2,048.41 in a genuinely significant way. Besides, ETH can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of $2,335.71, which basically is genuinely huge. ETH value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum certainly is gauged to generally be at around a base worth of $1,737.18. Incredibly, the Ethereum value worth can arrive at a for the most part limit of $1,974.90, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90 in a truly significant manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1,996.84 in an unobtrusive manner. ETH value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $1,945.35 in a quite huge manner. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a really limit of $2,150.77, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely critical. ETH value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is determined to be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $2,004.37 in an essentially large manner. The Ethereum value worth can explicitly arrive at and in every practical sense, limit of $2,252.61 with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, showing that ETH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum by and large is determined to explicitly be at around a kind of least worth of $2,004.37, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum ETH value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum by and large is for the most part anticipated to arrive at and in every practical sense, normal cost of $2,139.84. While the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $2,335.71 and a truly least of $2,048.41 in a fundamentally significant manner, Ethereum kind of past value examination and the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been explicitly diminished by 0.6% in its truly current worth, exhibiting how besides ETH can truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $2,335.71, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which generally is very critical. Ethereum explicitly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The ETH truly is down to nearly 1.49% in the especially most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that the Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a kind of limit of $1,974.90. With the truly normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which by and large is very huge. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in by and large transient in an essentially huge manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH diminished by 13.194%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $249.16 from its ongoing worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a genuinely decent buy and large purchase and open door for kind of speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 4.44%, and the value sort of coursed from a for the most part least exceptionally normal cost of $1,539.51 to greatest truly normal cost of $1,647.19 in the beyond 90 days in a by and large significant manner. In kind of most recent 4 months, Ethereum generally has shown a developing pattern, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In this manner, we in every practical sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum generally is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how in the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum basically be essentially worth in 2023? In an especially huge manner, the exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost and in every way that really matters, huge way. The coin generally is up by 19.47%, with the genuinely most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin truly was around $1,207.02, and the base truly normal cost of essentially was around $1,191.63 in truly beyond 4 months in a fundamentally significant manner. Ethereum value conjecture 2023 facts. What will be Ethereum truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The ETH cost fundamentally is gauged to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $2,335.71, with most certainly least cost of $2,048.41 toward the finish of 2023, which by and large is very critical. Does Ethereum fundamentally have a future in an exceptionally significant manner? As far as